Hello, kids! Welcome to Kids Genius.
A is for apple, so red and round. B is for bear, who's big and brown. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. Let's sing the ABCs from A to Z. Each letter is fun, come sing with me. E is for elephant, so big and gray. F is for frog, who lops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for horse, trotting around. Let's sing the ABCs from A to Z. Each letter is fun, come sing with me. If me. I is for insect, buzzing near. J is for jellyfish, wiggling clear. K is for koala, hugging a tree. L is for lion, so wild and free. Let's sing the ABCs from A to Z. Each letter is fun, come sing with me. If M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for nest, where baby birds lie. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Let's sing the ABCs from A to Z. Each letter is fun, come sing with me. Q is for quail, so tiny and quick. R is for rabbit, with a jump and a kick. S is for snake, who slithers around. T is for tiger, fierce and sound. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for vulture, with wings so plain. W is for whale, splashing with glee. X is for xylophone, musical and free. Y is for yak, with long shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. Now we know our ABCs. Let's sing again. It's easy as can be. We sang the ABCs from A to Z. Each letter was fun, and we all agree.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.